What's up? Welcome back. Today we have shed doors that we need to fix. Game plan is to pull one of them apart so I figure out what kind of parts and pieces it is. It appears to be either 5/8 or 3/4 piece of plywood with 1x on the one side for all of the tin and then 2x4s on the bottom. We will verify that by pulling one of them apart, making sure we know exactly what we need for pieces. Then we can run to the store, get the exact pieces we need, and then we can put them back together. This should be a fun one. The tin is quite deformed. The wood is all sorts of garbage, but we'll get it figured out. I have confidence. All right. I guess let's get after it. No time like now. All right, so it's 1x4s, and this is actually T111, little piece of it, and then 2x4s. So I'm pretty sure I can go to the store now, get what I need, and put it all back together. The tin is shot. Probably not going to put new tin on. So it'll just be T111, 2x4s, 1x4s, put the siding back on, and paint the wood. That's the game plan. All right, that's a wrap. Got the doors built. I already moved the other one before I thought. I need to film an outro for you. All done, looking good. No disgusting siding on the inside. I think this looks much better. Got approval, we're good to go. Now to get over there, get these back installed, get them hung. Not quite really a one-man job, but we're gonna figure out how to get it done. As always, if you've liked this content, please be sure to leave a like and drop a comment down below. And if you found this useful in any way, please be sure to hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one.